Hello everyone and welcome back to Getting Started with Revit. We have now completed on our residential bungalow drawing the exterior wall with brick on stud and the interior walls with a generic 6-inch wall. We're now going to draw the foundation wall. So go back to our instructions and let's follow these along. Okay, when drawing the foundation wall, go to the foundation level in the project browser and select wall architecture, and select wall structural, and then select the foundation 10-inch concrete in the properties manager. Okay, so let's do that. So first we need to go to the foundation. So in the project browser, so here's the project browser, and then double click the foundation. So as you can see, this floor plan is showing the walls above it. So these are the exterior and interior walls drawn on the first floor. Okay, so now we're going to go to architecture wall. Where'd it go? Wall is a drop-down menu. We're going to go to structural wall. Okay, structural wall. Select the foundation 10-inch concrete type of wall. So in the drop-down menu, foundation 10-inch concrete. Perfect. And now what are we doing? In the properties manager, set the top constraint to up to level first floor. And then pick line. So let's make sure, I'm gonna just make this a bit wider so I can read it. Because right now it says up to level foundation. So I'm going to change that to up to level first floor. I'm going to pick lines. And then it wants us to make sure that this stayed onto up to level first floor. It changed, so I'm just gonna make sure I put that back to first floor. And this is selected. Okay, so pick lines tool and set the core center line in the options bar. Make sure you double click that the properties manager is still showing up to level first floor. Okay, we did that already. So now we just need to select the core center line. All right, and that's in location line right here. Core center line. So now we're going to just go along our exterior wall, pick the lines in the core, so there's going to be a center line in these walls, and we're going to select which walls that we want to have as foundation. So I'm just going to zoom in, and oops, so that one did not select the center line. Oh, we have to zoom in more. So make sure you zoom in. So I'm actually just going to undo that. And I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to start by zooming in. Okay, so it's picked up to, and it changed again. Not sure why. First floor. Okay. So now I'm going to select the center lines. Easy as that. All right, let's pick the center line. Gotta make sure you zoom in to get that line to show. Okay. Right click, cancel, and boom, we have our foundation walls drawn. So let's just jump back and see what it says. To set the foundation level, go into your project browser and locate the elevations, building elevation, and click on the north elevation. Let's do that first. Elevations, building elevations. So we're going to go down here. Elevations, building elevations. I think it said north elevation. Gonna double click on that. I'm gonna slide this in because I don't think we're gonna need that right now. And edit the basement level to be -8 feet. So anything under grade, so the ground level, you're going to be subtracting. So it's going to be -8 feet because that's going to be the height of the basement ceiling from floor to the bottom of, or from floor to ceiling is going to be 8 feet. My main floor was 9 feet, but the basement is going to be 8 feet. So, oh, you can see this, the hatch, the brick and concrete. Excellent. So let's see. Basement, I have it as 8 foot 6 inches. I'm going to change that to 8 feet. Enter. So it's gone up. It just moves on its own. Excellent. So let's see what we have to do now. Okay, that's it for the foundation walls. Okay, very nice. I'm just gonna jump back to the foundation floor plan. And it's still there. Thanks. Next we're going to go to our first floor plan and install some doors.